Hello, welcome to my channel, English with Fred. I am going to introduce the IELTS listening test and the essential skills you need to succeed. In this video, we'll go over the full structure of the test, what to expect, and how to prepare for it effectively. So, if you want to improve your listening score and feel more confident on test day, let's get started. Whether you're just starting or want to boost your score, this overview will help you understand the format and how to prepare. The IELTS listening test has 4 sections, 40 questions, and lasts about 30 minutes, plus 10 extra minutes to transfer your answers on the paper-based version. Let's take a look at the structure of the test. Section 1 is a conversation between two people in a social setting, for example, arranging a trip. Section 2 is a monologue in an everyday situation, like a map or tour description. Then we move into more academic topics. Section 3 is a conversation, usually between students and a tutor, in an educational context. And Section 4 is a university-style lecture on a general academic subject, and it's the only section with no interruptions. So, you'll hear a mix of conversations and monologues with both social and academic content. There are a few key things you should know. First, you'll hear each recording only once, so focus is essential. There are 40 questions in total, and you'll have a 30-minute test, followed by 10 extra minutes to transfer your answers, but only if you're doing the paper version. You'll hear a range of English accents, including British, Australian, and North American. And keep in mind, correct spelling and grammar matter. To do well in IELTS listening, you'll need a combination of core skills and strategies. You should be comfortable understanding numbers, dates, times, and the alphabet, because they come up often. You also need to recognize the context and who's speaking. This helps you follow the conversation. The strategic skills like predicting, highlighting keywords, and identifying distractors are also key. And finally, develop your ability to understand deeper ideas like attitudes, opinions, and main messages, not just details. Building these gradually will give you a real advantage. There are several different task types in the listening test. You may see multiple choice, matching, labeling a map or diagram, and completing notes, forms, or sentences. Each task type has a different focus. Some check your understanding of details, while others focus on main ideas, opinions, or sequences. Get familiar with the features of each type and practice approaching them differently. Don't treat all questions the same way. So, how can you prepare effectively? Start with timed practice. Train your ears and mind to work under real exam pressure. Focus on one skill at a time, like paraphrasing or predicting, until you master it. Make daily listening a habit. Podcasts, news, TED Talks, anything that builds your exposure. And finally, don't just practice, review. Learn from your mistakes so you don't repeat them. Listening is an active process. The more you engage with it, the more confident you'll become. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and comment any questions that you have.